Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the ClickUp API. This is essential if you want to integrate ClickUp with other applications or build custom workflows that connect your project management data with external tools. First, you'll need to navigate to your browser and type in clickup.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in to your ClickUp account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with an account that has the proper permissions to access API settings, as this is typically an admin-level feature. After logging in, look toward the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your ClickUp workspace. Now, on the left side of the settings page, you'll see a navigation menu with several options. Scroll through this menu until you find the option labeled ClickUp API. Click on it to access the API management section. This is where you'll be able to create and manage your API applications. Once you're in the ClickUp API section, you'll see an option to create an app. Go ahead and click on Create an App. This will open up a form where you'll need to provide some basic information about your application. In the form that appears, you'll first need to input an app name. Choose something descriptive that helps you identify what this API connection will be used for. Right below that, you'll need to input your redirect URL. This is the URL where ClickUp will send authentication responses, so make sure it's accurate and matches the endpoint you've set up in your other application or website. After filling in both fields, click the Create App button. ClickUp will now generate your application credentials, which you'll need for authentication. Once your app is created, you'll immediately see two critical pieces of information displayed on your screen: the client ID and the client secret. These are your authentication credentials that allow external applications to communicate with ClickUp on your behalf. You'll notice that the client secret is hidden by default for security purposes. If you need to view it, simply click the Show button next to it and the full secret will be revealed. If for any reason you need to generate a new client secret, perhaps because the current one has been compromised or you need to rotate credentials, you can click the Regenerate button to create a new code. Now that you have access to both your client ID and client secret, you can copy these credentials and paste them into the other app or website where you're setting up the ClickUp integration. These credentials will authenticate your connection and allow data to flow between ClickUp and your external application. And that's it. You've successfully set up your ClickUp API credentials and you're ready to integrate ClickUp with other platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.